Good morning and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll be teaching you how to create and make your own Android application with your phone. But before then, we need to click on the subscribe button and then like us, as that will encourage us to bring more tutorials in the nearest future. Thank you. Straight to the point, I'll be teaching you how to create first and foremost an application for your website. You need to log on to the link above. But before then, there are a lot of things you need to learn, because if I don't put you through, you might find it difficult to create your application. So click on it, appcreator24.com. Then you wait until you see sign up. You click on it. You put your details correctly, your name, you choose your country. For my own case, I'll be choosing Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. You put your email address correctly. I have a lot of email address. Ensure you don't use the one that you've used on this same website before. And make sure your email address is highly confidential. Then you put the password that you would like to use. You save it. After saving it, you go to your email address and confirm your registration. Confirm your link, and that is to show that you are the owner of the email address. Then you come back to the website again. This time around, you'll be enabled to log in with that same email address and password. Alright, that is it. I've logged in successfully. I have created some applications already. You can see them over there. I've created some application, but we'll be creating a new app. You click on that create app. Once it opens, the first box will require you to input the name of the application. Just put any name at all. Let me put just any name. In this case, I'll put international call, that is intercall. Now you choose the logo and the background image of your application. If you have the one installed already, you click on that option telling you to choose from your file, that is your file manager. But if you don't have anyone created already, you now choose from their own gallery. This is their gallery. I have chosen one already. That is what you're seeing over there. All right, then on the next line, okay, if you want to choose from your own file manager, you just click on that choose from file. You locate where you install, where you save the image, and then you just select it. But I want to use their own. So the next and final thing on this page is to add the description of your application. This is very vital. You have to put something very relevant. So in case you would like to send your app to Play Store, all of this information needs to be okay. Then you click on next. This place is telling you to choose the color and the background of your application. Don't worry, you can choose one here and still change it later after creating your application. I'll teach you everything in this tutorial. Now we will now ask you to choose the kind of website you want to create. There are a lot of options, like reviews or tutorial, blog app, radio station app, service app, lot of them, a whole lot of them. Okay, for example, let's choose one from here and see, but this is not what we really use. Let me choose this radio station app. Okay, so that review, you can see, said you want the website to link anything to your website. You can choose yes or no, but let's go back. We are creating a web application, so you click on that web app. On the first line, you put the name of your website, the title of your website. Then on the second page, you put correctly. In this case, I'm going to put Facebook app because I'm going to direct the application to Facebook website. So you click, you put correctly the link of your website. Make sure HTTP is involved, that is hypertext transfer protocol. If you don't link it to HTTP, it will not continue. So you have to put the URL correctly. You go back and put HTTP, and then you will click on next. So once that is being done, your application has been created successfully. You now go to the app manager now, where you can edit the app, correct some error, and then change some things that you would like to change. All right, this is now your application manager. You can now see what you are seeing there. You have general info, design section, and then a lot of options for you here. Add, and then a lot of things, or download your application. Okay, you can see. So let's try and get the application downloaded, or before then, let's download the application. Now when creating your application, immediately they will not allow you to download it because you have to wait after 1 minute of creation before you can download it. So I'm going to wait for 1 minute and then continue. I'm waiting already for 1 minute, but don't worry, I'll make it short. All right, this is after a minute. Okay, I refresh the page, and then you can now see download. I'm going to download my application now. You can see option for downloading. You can choose the folder that you want to save the app in. Let me save it into download. Okay, and then you click on okay, download. Then you wait until it downloaded successfully. I'm not going to wait. All right, my app has downloaded successfully. I'm going to install it now. You can see it over there, app 1144.apk. I'm going to install it in my phone. Okay, allow app from this source, and then you download it. Glory. Congratulations, your app has been installed successfully. I'm launching it now. Remember, I use a link to Facebook, right? So this is the background I chose the last time. It's taking me straight to Facebook website now. You can now see Facebook login page. You see it number. So when you put your email address or your email or your phone number or username correctly, and then you put your passwords correctly, you will not start. It will lead you to Facebook. Everything you can do on Facebook will be done here, and everything you can do on your website, if you use a link to your website, will be done also on the app. You can send it to Play Store, upload it on your website, and then send it to the users of your website, and then you've created your own app successfully. Thank you for watching this tutorial to the end. Please, would like you to like us, share us, and subscribe to this channel, as that will encourage us to bring more tutorials for you in the nearest future. Thank you so much, and then stay blessed.